Hello, my babies. How is everyone doing today? So today I'm back with a new video and I am doing a collab with my girl, Miss Galore. We are doing a True Blue collab. And yes, you can go ahead and follow her Instagram. You can follow her YouTube channel, and you can also follow her TikTok. This is not my first time doing anything with Miss Galore. We do know each other very well. She's like my nail bestie. And yeah, if you want to follow her, I will leave all her links down below, her TikTok and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So right here, as you can see, I do have some nail charms and they are from Lanailenthusiast. I will leave her Instagram and her website down below if you want to purchase these beautiful nail charms. This one right here says Chula. She has Chula, Bonita, and Toxica. I think I'm saying that right. I'm not quite sure, but all her links down below. This is her Instagram that you see on the screen right now. And yeah, so I did use these charms in the video. I didn't show the Bonita like I did Chula, but I did decide to use those charms. So right here, yeah, I'm not doing it on my live hand. As you can see, please excuse my nails. My nails are a hot mess. Yes, they are. But I am using Baby Bronzy today, so she's going to be our client today. And if I were to be doing my nails with this polygel, I will go ahead and prep my nails, do the buffing and the fouling and the dehydration and all that good stuff. So here you see I am using alcohol for my solution for the polygel. I didn't buff the outside of the nails. I didn't see no need because I am doing it on Baby Bronzy. And this is the spatula and the brush that that comes in your normal polygel kits. And today I am using Makartt's I am using Makartt's Polygel. It is Morning Glory and Polygel 13805. I will also leave the link to Makartt's website down below, and I will also use I will also leave my discount code as well for Makartt. So here, as you can see, I am spreading the polygel on this nail. And I am using alcohol to as my solution to spread the polygel. Is very sticky. That's the only thing I don't like about the polygel, but other than that, I mean, I really do like polygel. And yeah, I'm just spreading the polygel, and I just showed you what it looks like on the outside. And I do cure it for 30 seconds. I don't cure it for 60. I do cure it for 30 because I'm not putting it on a human hand. This is my training hand, and this is Baby Bronzy, so she's going to be looking cute today with this blue. So please do look forward to me and Miss Galore doing some more collabs. This is our first collab together, and it won't be our last, believe that. All right, so we're going to go ahead and use the Polygel 13805, and I did put top coat on the inside of the nail because it was really sticky, and I just did this to eliminate that sticky feeling, and I didn't want to put that on Baby Bronzy and she be all like sticky and icky and all that stuff. So that's why I am applying the top coat. So here, as you can see, I'm getting ready to use the glitter polygel, the 13805. I think this polygel is really beautiful. I love the sparkle. I love Makartt's polygel. It's not too stiff and it's not too soft. It's very easy to maneuver and apply. Okay, right there you saw that I did stick the spatula inside of the nail because there was a little bubble. So if you do have like a bubble like that, all you do is kind of stick the spatula inside that bubble to kind of, you know, get the polygel in the bubble, and then you just continue on to spread your polygel. So I'm gonna let you go ahead and continue to watch, and I will be back. So as you can see, I did two polygels. I'm sorry, I did two. I can't think of the word right now. What am I thinking? I did two with Morning Glory, which is solid. There we go. Is the solid color, and I did do two with the glitter. And this set is not too out there. It's like something simple, something cute. And blue, when me and Miss Galore talked about this, blue is a very hard color, I think. But if go check out her channel and her nails. She did a very good job on hers. And yeah, I think we both pulled this off. But like I said before, this won't be the last time that you see me and Miss Galore doing a collab. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video. So I'm going to go ahead and be quiet so you guys can continue to enjoy the video. Oh, and I also forgot to mention that I am using the Enfila. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I am using their full cover 3XL tips. And I really like these tips. They're very sturdy. They're not too flimsy. And I just kind of filed the edge of the tips. And as you can see, I didn't do too much filing there. I mean, there was already filed enough, but I just kind of put like an edge on the edge. But yeah. Little girl, let me go ahead and straighten you up. You was all crooked and all over the place. But as you can see right here, I am using some alcohol to wipe off that sticky consistency that the polygel left on the top of the nail. So I just kind of wiped it off with alcohol. And in the next clip, you will see that I will be applying some top coat, and I will be putting on some stickers, and also I will be putting on the charms. So like I said before, I will leave LA Nail Enthusiasts information in the link down below. And if you want to purchase these charms, they are very beautiful, and you get 50. Right now she's having a sale to the 23rd. If you order, you do get free shipping. So make sure you go to her website, check her website out, check her Instagram out. Also go and check out my girl Miss Galore, her YouTube. I will leave her link down below, and I'll also leave her TikTok and as well as her Instagram. She's very good. Her YouTube is very good. It's very informative. If there is something that you don't know how to do, go check her videos out. I learned a lot from her, and I'm still learning from her. So yeah, so like I said, I will leave everybody's links down below, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and make sure you click that like button, and I will see you guys on my next video. Until then, toodles. got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on.